Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing this quick seal flexible rubber coating waterproof repair spray. I've actually bought a sealant spray before and it worked so well that I'm getting one again because our roof started leaking recently due to all the heavy rains. This stuff is amazing, it's effective, high quality and super easy to apply. Plus it dries quickly and comes at a reasonable price. I'll leave the shop link in the video description if you want to check it out. Alright, let's see if it can save my roof again. So here's the problem area. You can see the damage caused by the leak. It's been dripping water every time it rains, and it's starting to affect the ceiling. But don't worry, I've got my sealant repair spray and I'm going to fix this today. To get to the rooftop, I'll need to climb this pillar tree. It's a bit of an adventure, but it's the easiest way to access the leaking area. Let's go. Alright, I made it to the rooftop. Now let's take a closer look at the drain pipes. This is where the leak is coming from. You can see the cracks and gaps where the water is seeping through. Time to fix it. Before spraying, make sure to clean the area and remove any dirt or debris. This helps the coating adhere better and last longer. Now let's start spraying. This stuff is so easy to use. Just point and spray. I'm applying it in multiple layers to make sure it's fully sealed. It dries quickly so I don't have to wait long between coats. While I'm here, I'm also spraying the edges of other drain pipes to prevent any future leaks. Better safe than sorry, right?
Day 3.
Okay, it's been few days and it's raining again. Let's check if the repair worked. Look at that, no more leaks. This quick seal flexible rubber coating is seriously effective. I'm so glad I decided to use it again. It saved me time, money, and a lot of stress. If you're dealing with roof leaks, cracks, or any waterproofing issues, I highly recommend this. It's easy to use, dries quickly, and most importantly, it works. I'll leave the shop link in the video description below so you can grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and product reviews. I'll see you in the next video.